Our first stop today is the Duck Tours, South Beach. If you've never heard of a duck boat, it's basically a vehicle that can go on land and then also goes in the water. We're gonna tour South Beach. We're gonna do a little sightseeing as much as we possibly can before it starts raining today. There is a hurricane or tropical storm that's forming south of Florida, and it's been kind of kicking up some bad weather throughout South Florida for the last day or so. This is a very touristy area. And we have the double-decker buses for sightseeing as well. While we wait for our boat, just looking around a little bit. Check out these decks. Whoa, the creature from the Black Lagoon deck. Got the fruit market going across the street. There's actually a Radio Shack down the block there. It's like a prehistoric relic. Check out the James Hotel. It is so cool looking. And that's Florida. Our boat is delayed a little bit, so we're gonna go walk around. Got the Ritz-Carlton coming back here late 2019. We're gonna head out to the beach, Miami Beach. So we're supposed to go out on the duck boat in about half an hour, but it's not looking too good. And not sounding too good. Our boat has arrived. This is what we're looking at prior to boarding. We're on the boat. And the truck. At the same time.
3, Mac grip. Okay, loud. 1, 2, 3. Mac grip. Put this back.
Walk through the window.
Take a mental picture of that hotel, please. Right there. This is your prototype for our Deco today. We're going to look for 3 things. Ready? Bilateral symmetry, that means even on both sides. A neon or a platinum sign. The Chelsea sign was platinum, correct? Building. That's the headquarters of the Estefans. And look left, you're gonna see an orange. Look at the orange building. It's called Portofino. Look to your left. That's a private island called Fisher Island, and celebrities have homes there. What celebrities? Oprah Winfrey, Sharon Stone, New England Patriots quarterback Tom Brady. Look to your right. House with the terracotta roof, a little white boat. That's home of Gloria Estefan. What's her net worth? I just told you. 500 million. Exactly right. Look to your right. Black towers, white towers. They're called gantries. They live containers. They also inspired George Lucas to design the ad creatures for the movie The Empire Strikes Back. Look to your right, everybody. Look at the bridge. Go to the ad. That's my shy house left of the bridge marker. That belongs to a rapper by the name of Diddy. Puff Daddy, Sean Jones, $1,000 to close it down. Nikki, they had to use it 4 days, they paid $20 million. Remember this? Shooting shows and movies here, it's very expensive. Next, what's your for tax evasion? I'm talking about Al Pacino's an actor, you know, Al Capone. Al Capone bought himself a home on Palm Island in 1928, 1931, he went to jail. For the invasion of Normandy, Nikki. In the 1970s, a company from Wisconsin, the Wisconsin Dells, started using them for tours. Those war vehicles in the United States are not allowed for commercial use anymore. I tell you this because other countries like the United Kingdom still use those boats. Now, Everybody wave goodbye to the boat right there. Look at the houses. Do they look expensive? Very expensive. Location, location, location. These islands have gates, but I'm going to tell you guys a secret they don't want you to know. The streets on those islands are public property. What does that mean? You guys can drive through the islands. This is how it works. They will let you on Palm Island, and they will let you on Hibiscus Island. If you guys go on Palm, remember, 93 Palms. Say it. It's Al Capone's old house, and it's for sale for $14.9 million. Not Collins Avenue. Both named after John Collins, an entrepreneur who 100 years ago was trying to get people to come to Miami Beach. And back then, only a boat ran between the two cities. So he thought to himself, if I build it, they will come. In 1913, he finished a bridge, except those islands you're looking at were not there. How is this possible? The answer is the water. Look at the water, guys. Here, 14 feet deep, but 100 years ago, 3 inches deep. This is a semi-artificial bay. The other entrepreneur here dug out the sand. An aggressive and controversial process called sand dredging. Controversial because it's very bad for the ecosystem. But he took the sand and he constructed the islands. Look at the islands. These islands are artificial, like the people that live on them. Now lift your left. Oh, look at that boat over there. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my competition. Now listen to me. We're gonna make a lot of noise. Wait, hold on, Stratos. We're gonna make a lot of noise. Ready? Make some noise. Make some noise. Close to the house, Heather, in between the palm trees, you're gonna notice these flags. They are Tibetan flags, because that house right there, Heather, is a monastery. You're looking for a house that's covered up with trees divided into with a blue and white boat lifted from the water. You see that right there? That belongs to this singer, Paulina Rubio. No coming back.
This house
With
was
the
used in
original
Miami Vice.
cast.
Bruce Willis as the bad guy lived in that house.
Yeah.
This is A-Rod's house.
White House.
$27 million.
German female tennis player by the here in 1896. Because he had money, he gets the credit. But that's not the full story. Miami was really founded by a woman. A woman by the name of Julia Tuttle convinced him to bring the railroad here. Home on this tour. How expensive? Ricardo, $67 million. Belongs to Dr. Philip Ross, the co-founder of IVAX Pharmaceuticals. The company responsible for a blue pill called everybody.
We're going back on land. We're slipping and sliding.
What's this? Look at it.
Oh dear, we are heading into a storm. This is crazy, yo. Look at this. Just a little wet. Ocean dry. I have nothing trying to wipe my lungs. This is CVS. It's in Scarface. Chainsaw.
Alright, you see the Scarface plaque? It's a 1979, the National Register of Historic Places, making it the most successful preservation project in the history of the United States. Registered in 1979 in the National Register of Historic Places by a woman by the name of Barbara Kapitman, who got them saved. It's the most successful preservation project in the history of the United States, and that's why she's number 4 on our list.
Our tour is done. The duck boat tours are over. 2 out of 3 of us have changed. At this point, it is pouring outside. You should note that the tour operates rain or shine, but it actually made it fun. So it was hella fun. The whole thing, like
it was
going
hysterical.
in the water, and the fact that it started raining was
wasn't great, but it was actually added to the whole ambiance.
yeah.
It's
It
like,
just made it fun. Some of the rain was painful as we're going over the bridge,
oh
but
my God! They're like, look right, and we're like, and you get poked in the eyes.
it was very cool. So we'll put a link to the company down below. This was not hosted or sponsored or an ad. Or
It was
anything
a
like that.
last
This was
minute
just something that
thing.
we decided to do when we were over here and we were trying to think, without actually going in the beach or in the water, what could we do to see things? And they have options where you could either go like boats, or you could do helicopters, or you could do double-decker buses, and this was kind of like 2 out of 3 things. So
I got wet.
yeah,
Yeah,
well,
still got wet,
it got wet.
as you can see.
But we're gonna head out of here. So thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. See you guys.